Hi. Dear friend. How are you? Hey. I am fine. And you? Why are you stand? Please sit down. On the chair. Thank you. I want to learn about astronomy. Do you know a book about astronomy? There are many books about astronomy, but all of them is very difficult. I don't want difficult. I want too easy. Yes. No. Maybe I know about a website which explains the total information about astronomy through Islamic religion. What is the name of this website? www.Islamicastronomy. You can find this website in your browser easily.